How have you been?
Good. How have you been?
Good. I've got a business I started, HVAC. I've got 3 apprentices now.
Hmm. You have any kids?
Nope. Still single. You?
2 girls.
I bet they're beautiful like their mom. Wow. Lisa Gibson. You know, I was in love with you in high school. I'm sure you could probably tell.
You were 17.
Hey, I don't think that's too young to know when you've met someone who could make you happy forever. I was a teenager back then, too. So were you. Sorry. I was probably waiting for you to come home.
He's gone with work.
Is he got a lot?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's too bad.
I manage fine.
Managing isn't what anybody really wants, is it? Do you ever think about if life had gone left instead of right?
No,
Oh, come on. You don't ever think what could have been?
with you?
Why not?
You think about your memory of me? Some high school hot girl.
You were so much more than that. You were funny, spirited, gorgeous. Still are.
That's very nice of you, but I should probably be going now.
Or you could stay.
I'm sorry. We can't.
I know.
It's okay.
I know you're without.
Forget it. It's fine.
But I'd be lying if I said I haven't always wanted to kiss you. When you were right there,
Really, it's fine. If you ever need anything else delivered,